This is the inauguration day. This beautiful boat actually over there. Actually, man, the singers and they're singing for this boat. It is called the Haribanga Express. Alongside me, my mentor Human Parvis have come here to make many videos about this boat. So overall, I have witnessed the boat. Actually, what are your thoughts on this boat?
So very soon the boat will be moving into the water. I'm very much optimistic that the boat is very much very long, and the boat will be taking part in different competition. I little while ago I talked to with different villagers that as well as the owner of the boat. They said that. They said that they will be taking part every competition. Here singing is going on. Here song is going on. So here you can see the festivity. Here people are in a very festive mood. They are having some glorious time. They are having some lovely time. So I'm also very much optimistic, brother. You know it quite well. This village, Haribanga village, is very next to my village.
Yeah, this is true that actually, you're actually, resident of Shelburisa Villas, and this is called the Harivanga village. So the thing is that actually three villages are together and they have built a lovely board. It is 82, a board of 82 hands actually. We're talking to the boat builder, and who is talking that actually it took all about two months to complete this board. So, what are your thoughts on this board actually?
Our excitement level seems to be racing into the flashing point at this very point in time, simply because of the fact that the boat is ready right at the moment, and they will be ready. They will be striving with their unflinching determination to carry their boat into the water. So I am right now. This place you can see right now that this place is completely jam packed, and the villagers are right now in a very festive mood. They are right now carrying the boat into the water, and it is a lovely scenery. Here, song is going on. Here, people are here. Different media personalities. They are capturing. They're capturing different kinds of songs, and absolutely, the color combination of the board is absolutely awesome. So, do you want to move into this place that the media personalities they are right now capturing the videos? Yes, different kind of jargons, folk song, especially folk song is going on. They're singing. They are pretty much excited about this. Yes, the media personalities are very happy. They are having some glorious time there, especially. This is the folk song that always inspire all the navigator in the boat racing, and this kind of folk song is always very inspiring and very traditional. It is completely mixed with the tradition of our country.
Absolutely, brother. You really spot on actually. Man, actually, the villagers they're singing a folk song at this moment. The leader is over there, who is called the Shari Elder. The Shari Elder, who is actually, leading and who is singing at this moment. Actually, the others villagers they're following them. So, these kind of songs are actually inspiring for them when they scull their boat. You're mentioning about that. So, brother, thank you so much for being time.
Thank you very much for your priceless time.